Alright y'all, what's up? Real quick video today. Out here trying to get some garden stuff done, man. The old tiller here. Check this out. The piece of shit obviously got some trash in the fuel line or in the carb, so I'm gonna have to take the float bowl off, clean out the jet, clean the fuel line, make sure it's good. I don't know, it ran fine the other day. Got the garden spot, one of the garden spots tilled. Come back the next day and you got this. So it's probably trash in the line. But the point of this video is be able to fix your own shit. If I had to carry this somewhere, I'm probably looking at 70, 80, 100 bucks to have a carburetor cleaning job done on it. I'm just gonna do it myself. So hang loose, we'll get that done. All right, y'all, so the very first thing I'm gonna do is take this float bowl off, removing the 1/2-inch bolt underneath, and she's gonna dump gas everywhere, and that's okay. That's what I want it to do. I don't know if you guys can see in there, man, but there is trash like crazy in there. So I'm just gonna let this thing make sure our jet, our needle, yep, our needle is now floating free. A little more gas in there, rinse this dude out, and we'll stick her back on here. Probably got more trash inside the tank, there's no doubt about it. So I will end up putting an inline fuel filter in this dude to eliminate all this. All right, let's tighten this dude down. Okay, see what we got. One more thing before I fire this up, guys. I'm gonna take this fuel line off right here. Take some carb cleaner, blow down through there on the top side just to kind of clean it out a little bit more. Into the top of the carburetor, not the fuel line. There we go. Yep, that thing is full of nasties. All right, so seat that back down there. Put a clamp back on it. Done deal. All right, y'all, I'm gonna go ahead and drain this whole fuel tank into this bowl down here, but just, I'm gonna go ahead and clean it all out. That way I know there's no doubt it's clean. Brand new fuel, baby. All right, guys, I have taken the carburetor off this dude. I cleaned out the bowl, cleaned out the jet, used carburetor cleaner in here and in the fuel fill line and feed line. I've cleaned out the fuel tank, fuel line, fresh fuel, got it capped off. So I'm gonna have to go a little further. I'm gonna have to get down in here, take this back off, take the jet out of it, take the float out of it, and clean the jets internally in here that you can access through the bottom. But it's old, dude. But anyway, step 1 and 2 didn't fix it, so now on to step 3. Just real quick, you guys can see that stuff in there. That's what I've got to clean. I've got the jet and the float off of it, but Gotta get in there and clean all that. All right, y'all, new carburetor. I cleaned and cleaned and cleaned on this old piece of shit, blew it out 100 times. It's fucked. So, $19 off the Amazon, baby. Brand new. New fuel lines. Should have her up and running here in a minute. There you go, boys and girls. Homestead mission accomplished after class. Carb on the tiller running great. Didn't have to pay anybody a fucking repair bill. Now it's beer 30. Stay safe.